December 2012, I was given this fridge freezer from the people at Appliances Online for me to test and review. It's the Samsung RS7567BHCBC H series range. It's A+ energy rated to keep the bills nice and low, and it has a total capacity of 532 litres, of which 361 litres for the fridge and an additional 171 litres for the freezer. The freezer is frost free, and in the event of a power cut will keep your food frozen for up to 8 hours, which is a real bonus. If we can just come to the features on the front, I'll show you the display panel. At the moment it's showing you the temperature of your freezer, the temperature of your fridge, which can be adjusted with the relevant buttons here, freezer, fridge. We've got a power freeze button. If you want to freeze something very quickly that might spoil if you freeze it in the normal manner, then you use that button. If you press these two buttons together, child lock comes on, which means your children now, doesn't matter what buttons they press, it's locked. They can't go changing the temperature of the freezer, defrosting your stuff, etc. And again, to remove it, just those two buttons again. Off. There we go. If we now come over to the size. The size is definitely something you need to take into consideration if you're buying this product. It's huge, absolutely huge, and it doesn't go through all standard doors. So the height is 178.9 centimetres. The width across the front is 91.2 centimetres, but it's the depth which is deeper than a normal freezer, and that's 69.2 centimetres. However, if you take the doors off, you can lose another 9 centimetres, making it 60 centimetres, and that is more likely to go through your internal doors. Well worth pointing out that fact. The other point I'd like to point out is, back to our display panel, we've got a water and ice function, which is really nice. The water ice you can have chipped or crushed. No, make that cubed or crushed. And it needs to be plumbed into the water mains to be able to use that function. Unfortunately, we couldn't get ours into our kitchen because of fitted units and radiators and things, so ours lives in the living room with us. So we've never been able to plumb in that function, which is a shame really, because it's a great feature. But if ever we move and we can, we will use that again. So what we did instead was to take out the ice box, which is there, which freed up quite a bit of room in the top there. So it gave us a bit more space. If we move, we can just pop that back in and plumb it into the mains, and we can use that function again, which would be really nice. Back to the fridge. Got lots and lots of space, as I said. You can see loads crammed in. Stocking up for Christmas. I've never brought my shopping home and never been able to fit it in my fridge. It is huge. And the best part about this is how long food lasts in this fridge. It's if you buy things close to the date, you still get another couple of weeks. For instance, we've got that we bought today. Should go out date today. I know I could eat that 2 weeks and it's going to be fine still. And it's the same with the salad. You look at the dates and the dates are well gone, but the salad is still fresh. So I can't recommend this fridge enough, just for how fresh it keeps the food and for how long. It's just economical all round. It really is. So if you're thinking of an American fridge freezer, I can honestly say this is a great product. Yeah, that's it. So thank you. Bye.